we liked that so much the first time, we had to load up another 20 rounds and see how she runs. See, so far, so good.
Yeah, go ahead and shoot that whole clip up. That thing's...
Fire in the hole! Now, we're not going for distance and longevity, but we're going...
Wait a minute, I'm going to go up top and film you.
Okay, I'll wait. Just tell me when.
Alright, Douglas.
Fire in the hole?
Fire in the hole.
Alright, here we go. We're going to run this through 20 rounds. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. No harm, no foul.
No problemo.
Here we go. That's badass.
Is that all of them?
That's it.
Damn.
20 rounds.
And that's all she wrote.
Wow. I like it, Ted. Not quite as much as my AK, but if I was going to buy another 223, I said it was going to be a, you know, something similar to an AK, and this is about AK as you can get. Thanks, Israel. Julie. Wow. What was that, about 5 seconds?
4 to 5, yeah. You got rocking.
Did you get the extraction?
Oh yeah, no, I kind of panned it up. You could see it was it looked like a hose going.
Wow. I can't wait to get about 500 rounds and just go shoot for the day. At least now we know she works.
Handguard getting hot or anything?
No. No, gas tube's not either.
Well, that's not too bad then.
Now I'm going to try to pick up a wood grip for the front. A Galil.
Yeah.
But, wow. I'm digging it. There we go. I'll side fold it up. And then put a single point sling setup on it for here. Tactical. So that's, it was definitely worth the wait. And I'm glad I didn't buy another fucking Bushmaster.
And if you bought a 50, you could shoot to that hilltop way over there. I've been to the top of the mountain, and I own it.
and I saw the light. So here we are. The Galani is now part of the arsenal. And a sweet part at that. You should see the chrome lining in this barrel in the chamber. It's incredible. I just can't get over how smooth it shoots. So, it's definitely worth the pickup. And I got it for under 7 beans. Well, right around 7 beans.
Pretty bold to do your first test firing live.
That's it. We didn't test fire it before we did this. This was spanking new out of the box 3 videos ago.
Would have been a good video when you got the one AK with the bad trigger.
Oh, we did? Buddy did that?
No, remember the one you hated?
Oh, mine?
Yeah, because when it kicked back.
One.
Yeah.
I was cussing that thing.
Well, yeah, I would have liked to seen that one.
I think about broke my damn trigger finger. For 3 shells, I was like, I can't shoot no more.
Nobody can see the look of joy opposed to the look of dissatisfaction.
Well, I can't wait to see that run through with the fucking 20 rounds there. If I had some more, we'd run some more, but we'll wait for another day when it's a little better lighting and weather, because it looks like we're in for some. So, signing off to all you guys out there. Have a good one, and bye Galani.